WhatsApp Messenger is one of the most popular social media apps in the world, with over 1.5 billion users. It is a free instant messaging application. Take a look at how WhatsApp makes money. 6. Is WhatsApp making money? The simple answer is yes. WhatsApp is making money. WhatsApp is the world's #1 messaging app. Mark Zuckerberg bought the $1 million messaging service to help personalize and cater to the needs of various users as well as companies. In 2014, Facebook decided to buy WhatsApp for about $19 billion. The company decided to buy the group when the service had over and more than 450 million active users over time. Founders of WhatsApp was finding it challenging to attain the fact that their app would be handed over to the hands of Facebook so quickly. They did not like the idea of monetizing their app, and thus they left the agreement. It was a business and a growth-related opportunity. 5. WhatsApp Business. The WhatsApp Business app is a separate app that is designed for businesses. It offers features like customer chat, away messages, and automatic messages. The WhatsApp Business application is different from the regular WhatsApp app in a few key ways. First, businesses can have their own WhatsApp account within the app, including their business profile, which includes name, logo, and contact information. Second, businesses can communicate with customers through automated messages. And finally, businesses have access to analytics, so they can see how often their messages are being seen and responded to. Overall, the WhatsApp Business app is a great tool for businesses to use to communicate with customers. It offers a variety of features that can help businesses save time and money. 4. The new revenue generation strategy of WhatsApp. WhatsApp was bought by Zuckerberg in 2014 for $19 billion. The company made a leap for the instant messaging service, and this opened a ton of doors and future opportunities for the app. Even the answer to "how does WhatsApp make money?" changed after the acquisition. According to the current revenue model, WhatsApp runs on a user data generation model, which is run by Facebook. So the revenue generation is done by the thing which the developers hated the most. It is done by the help of advertisements, which are generated on Facebook by collecting the user data and account information. 3. Selling user data. WhatsApp has also been known to sell user data to third-party companies. In 2017, it was revealed that WhatsApp had sold user data to Cambridge Analytica, a political consulting firm. This sparked controversy and concern over the privacy of WhatsApp users. While the company has denied sharing any personal data with Cambridge Analytica, the incident has raised questions about how WhatsApp handles user data. The primary model of a company having to earn revenue from its users is when the account confirmation and the user details are collected. Knowing what the income source of WhatsApp is, users can now understand that every single data which is uploaded by them is tracked by Facebook. It helps them to run the various advertisements on their platform. WhatsApp had the earlier privacy feature that the user information is entirely safe. Facebook, the parent company of WhatsApp, got hold of the user information and data and turned out the rules and regulations by twisting them. 2. WhatsApp Payments. One of the methods by how WhatsApp generates revenue is through WhatsApp Payments. WhatsApp Pay is a payment method similar to PayPal. Users may transfer money from online for free to their friends, family, and companies. It is based on UPI, or Unified Payments Interface, which allows both parties to send and receive money. The recipients of the funds is charged a transaction fee of 3.99%. This app, like other money transferring apps, links to a connected bank account, from which cash is collected or deposited. The service is presently only accessible on select devices in India and Brazil. WhatsApp Business is a solution designed for small enterprises. If a company has a larger size, it may choose to use WhatsApp's Business API. They can incorporate it into their current business software thanks to the API endpoint. More than 2 billion individuals in over 180 countries across the world. As a result, it is the biggest communication platform on the planet. 1. How much money does WhatsApp make? Except for Facebook, no one knows how much revenue WhatsApp Inc. makes since the parent corporation does not disclose the income split of the several products it manages. According to Facebook's 2014 Form 10Q, WhatsApp made a meager $1.28 million in the 9 months leading up to September 30th, 2014. But that was back when WhatsApp charged customers a $1 subscription fee after using WhatsApp. Forbes forecasted in a January 2016 report that WhatsApp's average revenue per user will be $4 by 2020, generating $5 billion in income for Facebook. However, the projections were incorrect since they projected WhatsApp would reach 1.3 billion total monthly users by 2020, a figure it had already surpassed by the middle of 2017. Forbes increased their revenue predictions for WhatsApp in November 2017, ranging from $5 billion to $15 billion, with an average income per user of $4 to $12. Even though WhatsApp's revenue potential is still far from being reached, the product is likely to contribute more to its parent company's basic income in the future years. Do let us know in the comments if you love using WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.